For use with all AX, GX, and Correctronic models. Correctable typewriter ribbon. Yields 50,000 characters per ribbon. Black ink. Genuine Brother quality product. ML300 portable electronic typewriter. 12-7/8 inch paper capacity, 9-inch writing line. 3 typing pitches, 10, 12 and 15. 12 characters per second typing speed. This black type correction ribbon is ideal for use with all AS, GX, and Correctronic models from Brother. The package includes 2 correctable ribbons. Top reviews from the United States. After user error, it worked great. Packaging is a bit difficult to remove the ribbon from, but once out it's easy to install. For a while I was concerned that it didn't work, so I had my mom take a look at it. Turned out I didn't have the part of the typewriter that stamps the letters up correctly, so it wasn't hitting the ribbon. Once it was clicked into place, it worked great and gives clear black letters. Before returning, make sure you have the stamping part of your machine up properly, otherwise it won't work with any ribbon you buy.